Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm doing a quick review on some products that I received from Hank and Henry. And this is their cream blush sticks. So I just wanted to check out some colors because I have reviewed Hank and Henry here at least once or twice. And I just wanted to show, this is their lovely packaging, and the color and pigmentation that they have for their eyeshadows is incredible. So is their blush. So I just decided to get these stick blushes. Oh, look at this color. Is that beautiful or what? Wow. And I'll put the price on there for, it doesn't have a scent, which is good. And I'm just gonna do this real quick so you can see. That's the first one. It goes on very creamy. I'm debating which one to put on. It has like a smoked, like glass looking top, but it's plastic. But it does have a little bit of weight, which is nice. And of course, the ever-present owl symbol for Hank and Henry. I move on to this other color. What's this first one called? The color? Teen Queen. Cute, bright, you know, like that deep but yet bright pink. The second one is called Emote. Okay, we'll see what that story's about. Emote. Oh, actually, that is not a blush. This is a lipstick. That is gorgeous. It's like almost like a tangerine orange with the lovely symbol there of the owl. Wow, this is gorgeous. How do I open this? I'm afraid. Oh, it's not a lipstick, it's a lip. Ooh. Does this have a scent? I'm not sure. I caught a whiff of something. There might be, but I'm just gonna put that here so you can see. Wow. And it has a triangular flat applicator in a way. It's like a teardrop. That I wasn't expecting. I actually thought it was a lipstick, so it actually goes this way. That's really cute packaging. Cute, Hank and Henry. Okay, and then we have this one this is definitely a cream blush, and this one is called Tang Tang. And I guess that's more on the orange side, you think? Possibly. Possibly. And I'm just loving the packaging on this. It's so cute. Can you see it? I hope you can. Very cute. Okay, it's always nice to get packages. Okay. Am I opening this right? I don't know. Let's see. There we go. All right. This looks like the first one. Oh, beautiful. Let's see how that looks. No scent. And there's the, that's different. I mean, I don't think I have a lot of orange blushes. I think that's probably why I got it. Ooh, and then I got this Hank and Henry Lust and Lush Blush and Highlighter Cheek Powder Duo. And I'm not really sure what coloring this may be, but we shall see. It's called Ornate Love. So now I'm curious, which one should I try? I don't know. I don't know. I just want to show it real quick. And I'm thinking, can't I use those cream stick blushes as a lippy? I have no idea. But so this is how it looks. There we go. Oh, this is okay. So this is the blush. I'm assuming it has to be, and that's the highlighter, which is like wait. It's like frosty. I'll put that here. Can you? Despite how pale my skin is, you see that right away. And I'm gonna try the blush on this side, which is a super duper cute hot pink. And I'm gonna apply it here. It looks very similar to this one, except it's a different finish. This is a cream, and that is not. But it says it's a, so wait a minute. It's an ornate is the highlighter, and love is the blush. So it's pink, but it looks slightly lighter or pinker than this one does. What do you think? To me, they kind of look the same. So I don't know what I'm going to use, but I'm dying to check out these blushes. So I think I'm going to use this first, right? I'm going to apply some primer because I don't have anything on, right? Anybody? And I'm using a sample here of the NYX The Marshmallow Primer. I've been curious to see how this stuff works. It's supposed to have 10 super benefits in one. Okay, we'll see. Let's see how that is. Okay, do you see that? It's a little, it's just enough to put on one's face. So this is basically one application because I put like about that much on my face. It feels very, yeah, marshmallowy. In case anybody was curious. And it has a scent. I guess it's supposed to be their version or play of marshmallow. It smells slightly sugary. Here we go. It goes on fairly smoothly. I don't have complaints. It's sort of foamy. Well, I guess it suggests that marshmallow type of thing. I think that if you really wanted to be stringent with this, you could get at least 2 or 3 applications out of this if you don't apply a lot. But I like to have a thin layer on, and I have a big forehead, so I have to cover a lot of skin. But yeah, if you're not into any scents, this primer may not be for you. Again, this is the NYX Marshmallow Primer. All right, so I am going to put on the orange because I'm feeling orange today, right? So I guess I'm going to put like that. Yeah, I'm not putting any like foundation on today. I just want to see how this looks on pale skin that's been cleansed and has been primed. So I could probably do this with my fingers. Yeah, it's not too bad. And plus I could probably use a brush or one of these, a sponge, to put it on. What do I think? You have much control over this because it's like a cream blush. So for those who, I have dry skin here on the cheeks and an oily T-zone, this works for me because cream tends to be nice to my skin, at least on the dry part. When it's a cream, it stays a bit longer and the finish feels much more natural. I'm wondering if it's buildable. It just may be. But I feel like I could put on, I'm gonna try this sponge, this moistened sponge, and just see, it's a bit more intense when you don't use your hand to blend it out, but you could use your hand to blend it out if you felt like it. Just don't over blend. See, for me, the orange isn't so bad. It's not bad, really. Dries like right away. It's almost like a powder. It's like a powder finish. It feels very soft, almost like pillowy soft on my lips. I don't feel any heaviness or a sense of, it almost comes off, I mean, it quick dries, it has a matte look. It's like a powder soft finish, you know. I would let it sit on my lips just a little bit longer before attempting this, because you see there's certain spots that haven't dried yet, little globs. Yeah. But I'm liking the color. It's different from what I normally, you know, I don't always wear orange, but I do go through phases where I have to wear orange. And it feels nice. It feels very soft. I'm touching my lips right now. I would say that it's mostly non-transferable. But my lips feel soft. They don't feel cakey. They don't feel over, it doesn't feel heavy. It's very light, extremely light. So I would put this, you know, most likely that it may be transferable if I have like a hot cup or something. But I am liking it. I am liking it.
Can't allow someone like you to wear it.
What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.